I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you a video on rational functions in which from the given conditions we'll write down the equation. Thanks to my subscriber for making this suggestion. We have included all types of conditions in this particular video. The question here is, write equation of a rational function for the following set of conditions. The first one is whole at x equals to 0. Then we have vertical asymptotes at x equals to minus 2 and x equals to 6. Horizontal asymptote at y equals to 0. Positive when x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 or 6 to infinity. Negative when x belongs to minus 2 to 6. Increasing when x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 and from minus 2 to 0. And decreasing when x is from 0 to 2 and 2 to infinity. My strategy here is to sketch the graph and build the equation as we read the conditions. And this strategy actually helps in solving such questions, right? So rational function will write r of x as equal to, the first condition is whole at x equals to 0 means a common factor of x in both numerator and denominator. Second condition is vertical asymptotes at x equals to minus 2 and x equals to 6. That means we have two factors in the denominator. One is x plus 2, the other one is x minus 6. That will ensure vertical asymptotes. So it's a good idea at this stage to show these asymptotes also on the figure, right? So that is the vertical asymptote at minus 2, and let us say this is at plus 6, right? So we have two asymptotes, one at minus 2, the other one is at 6. Horizontal asymptote at y equals to 0, there you go, and it really means that degree of denominator is higher, right? So we could have x on the top or a constant. Since we have degree of 2 in the denominator, these two will cancel. Positive when x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2. So this part of the portion and 6 to infinity. So it's positive here. Negative when it is in between. Increasing when x is from minus infinity to minus 2. So the function is increasing in this interval, so like going up in this interval. So let me draw like this, increasing, and from this interval also it is increasing and decreasing thereafter. Okay, so these are the conditions given to us. Now from the given conditions you could actually sketch the parabola. Since that is your horizontal asymptote, that's the vertical asymptote, the function is increasing and is positive, so we have no option but to sketch like this, and here it will be kind of like this, right? Now in this portion also it is increasing but decreasing from here. That means it is inverted, kind of like this, and it gives you an idea that since these are the two factors, we are looking for a parabola and it's reciprocal, right? Now while we sketch this portion, we have to keep in mind that somewhere the whole is at x equals to 0. Now clearly center is somewhere on the positive side. So when I'm sketching, so as I cross this y-axis, I will make a hole, right? So I made a hole, and then we can go and then we can turn and come like this. 6 is a bigger number, it should have been further ahead, but since I don't have much space, I kept it closer. But I think you understand, this is inverted kind of a parabola here. It is important to show the whole when x is 0, which takes care by this factor and the very first condition. Now the graph actually meets all the criteria which was supposed to be, because we have a hole here and that gives you the conditions. So therefore the function can be now written as x over x times, if you want you can expand this, but I prefer to write in factored form. So that becomes the rational function which will fit with the conditions given to us. I'm Anil Kumar and I hope that helps. Thanks for watching and all the best.